Welcome to a Nonsense Wars production. This is a model of a U.S. Army Transportation Corps S100 060 tank engine. These engines were built for use in the European and North African theaters of World War II, but quite a few also saw many years of peacetime service after the war. This specific engine, 30,065, went to the Southern Railway, where the type was known as the USA class, and then onto British Railways, and then into preservation in 1968. I built this engine almost entirely to use the 4.5 volt motor in a train since the leader did not work out. But I also like the S100 specifically for its blend of American and European characteristics. It goes well with the largely European styled official LEGO 4.5 volt train stock, so I don't need to build any matching rolling stock. The model is roughly 1 to 48 scale, and I say roughly because it is a little wider than it should be due to the complexity or perhaps impossibility of building a 1.5 wide tank. As a bit of a backlash from the very complex leader, this is intended to be a simple model just to demonstrate the use of the 4.5 volt motor in a scale model. Still, the cab and boiler are made to be easily removed such that you can access the internals. The drivetrain has 3 reduction stages for a net gear ratio of 1 to 27. It goes through a belt, a crown gear, a regular 24-tooth gear, and then to the front axle, and the other 2 axles are driven through the connecting rods. There are working drive rods and pistons, but the problem is that they aren't 8 wide, and I don't know if you can make them 8 wide without custom parts. This is a problem if you want to use my favorite feature of the 4.5 volt train system, the mechanical reverser, but it can be band-aided by using a 9-length beam for the connecting rod and then removing the pistons, etc. Even then, the locomotive barely fits past the reversing post, and the post needs to be on a straight track as well. That being said, I'm willing to accept this compromise for now, and I will address it in a future revision if it is a big problem. And that's a wrap for this commentary, so have a nice day.
And the power function motors have the same internal motor. Actually, they have the same form factor for the internal motor. The power function motor is actually better. So you will increase power output by doing that.
So actually, what I'm really